I didn't realize how out of control my closet had gotten, and there's one section I've been avoiding for literal months. Somewhere between shopping, hobbies, and life, my closet just completely got out of control. I don't even know when it happened, but it's honestly starting to overwhelm me a bit, so I have got to do something about it. If my environment feels chaotic, I also start to feel chaotic, and that is not soft girl coded at all. I think I've kept a lot of these things because I was attached to versions of myself that I've now outgrown. But there's almost like a sentimental value type of aspect to it as well. I already know there are pieces in here I'm going to absolutely struggle to get rid of, but I don't want a closet full of clothes and things for a life that I don't live anymore. I want one that reflects the little lady that I am becoming. Eventually, my wardrobe and my style will get there, but for now, I'm still just experimenting just a tiny bit because I do know what I like, but also, you know what I like is a bit expensive. The goal is to eventually do quality over quantity, and I've been getting there through thrifting mostly, which is honestly heaven sent. I have 2 garbage bags sitting outside of the closet door, and one is for donations while the other one is stuff I'm going to give to my sister. Half of them are things that I've borrowed, but the other half is not. It's like 9:30 p.m. So far, so good, don't you think? Now, this was the part of my closet that I did not want to do, and I have been putting it off for months. I just had a whole bunch of knickknacks and stuff just sitting in a literal box. Letting past versions of yourself go is strangely emotional, but I did get a lot of those things from that box to put in a donation bag. I'm going through all the bags that were hanging here. I put them in that little empty corner that's over there behind the camera. Look at this one. It's like denim weave. It's so cute. Now that the hard part is over, I get to do my favorite part, which is go through all of my dresses and tops and just organize them a bit more. I have to be extremely careful with hanging my dresses that have strings like that one I just had in my hand, because my cat will play with strings and she will absolutely ruin them. She's pretty mischievous, but I try to keep her out of the closet. I feel like I can breathe in here again. The air feels calmer, everything is organized and looks pretty. Although I had no idea where to put my cat's toys, so I kind of just left them in that corner over there. And we're not gonna mind the shopping bags. Like, doesn't this just look so much better with only 2 purses hanging there? I've actually never used that umbrella, by the way, but we're gonna ignore that. And look at my Labubu. Now, every time I step into the closet, I'm going to feel so much happier and calmer, but my favorite section is obviously all of my gelato peak. If there's anything I'm not getting rid of, it's going to be that. Consider this your sign to also clean out your closet. I'll see you next Monday. Bye!